Look at this. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Look at this. This little drone thing this is Zulu 82 is the call sign or aircraft name for this thing. I took a bunch of screenshots, but it's starting to lock up for some strange reason. I don't know why it's locking up. We're going to isolate. So right now it's 227. Look at that. 227. 227 going 152 knots, going 30 knots. Here it's going 33 knots. Then it moved over here at 28 knots. Watch this thing. Look at that. It moved over there. 26 knots. Now this is over New Mexico, Arizona. Where we at? We're over this land over here. Yuma test range. Colorado, I think, maybe. But watch how this thing moves. It's going at 31 knots. It's going really slow. We could actually change it to miles per hour.
Good morning. The time is 2:30 a.m.
It's 2:30 in the morning.
K-W-4-B-E-T.
It's just going 30 knots. Look at this. Well, look right here. Look how, you see these dotted lines? That's where it did some crazy stuff. It came here, went over there, came back. It's going 40 knots, 40 knots, 40 knots. It's at 60,000, 62,000 feet. It is up there, way up there. So GPS knows exactly where it's at. There's no denying that. It's up there, right underneath the GPS satellites, going 50 knots, right? And then this track shoots across here. See how it shoots across here like this? It says it was going 156 knots. Here it says it's going to 428 knots. But look at the time. 2:11, 2:12, 2:11. Then it shoots all the way back across the state to here. 2:11. 2:10. Okay, so I'm going backwards. So that's 2:11. And it shoots over here. It zips over here. .428 knots. 2:11. 2:11. 2:12. Then it zips all the way back down to here. Keeps zipping down to here. 2:13, 2:14, 2:15, 218, 219. See that? And then it zips up to here. 219, 360 knots. That's freaking zooming. Back down to here. 219. Then 219 all the way around to 215. Yeah, I mean, it's probably just an error, right? This is one of the military drones. You're telling me it jumps around like this right under GPS? No, no thank you. It does not. It knows exactly where it's at. Your car doesn't do that. This thing's in the clouds. This is strange here. See right here? It zooms all the way across. Zips all the way across here. Right over that thing. And back. Here it zips over to there. This one zipped clear across a state. Come on, man. No. No. See, now it's going in a perfectly straight line again. I don't know any drones. No, there's no other planes. The planes I've been looking at. No other planes. Helicopters do not travel like this, side to side. This is not a drone. It's that simple. This is not a drone. This is a UFO. This is swaying side to side and stuff, trying to get it right. You know what I mean? Swaying a little bit. See the track? Swaying side to side. Then it goes zip, and then it stops, swaying, moving back and forward like this. No. Yeah, this is going straight, but you can still see it's kind of like, it's something new to me. Something new to me. Balloons don't do that. Airplanes don't do that. No. Look, here's an airplane. This is King 98. We're going 140 knots. This is a refueling plane, I guess, or a C-130. Left out of here. Oh, it's on the ground now. It landed here. But look at that line. Going 200 knots. Planes don't go side to side. They just don't. Look, here's a Gray Hawk. This is a Osprey. See, look. See? That's an Osprey. This is a boat. This is on a boat. It says it's negative underwater. But you can see it's on the ground. That's on a Navy ship. They might want to turn that one off, I guess. Okay, see here? This guy kind of goes this way, and it kind of goes that way, and it kind of comes around, and it kind of, see what I'm saying? one just took off from here. It's going this way. It is a little sway side to sidey, you know. See, totally understandable. That's Ronin 12. What's the call sign for that guy? But look at Zulu. Come on, man. Right over Yuma test range like that. Get the hell out of here with that crap. And it's red, which means it's like 70,000 feet. Look, it's been traveling ever since I said something about it. Started taking screenshots. It's been traveling nice and smooth. See that? Look. Zip, 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 zip. Look at that. I mean, this is less than a minute. It's less than a minute from here to there to back to there to back. And it went up a little bit, there, back. All of these happened about the same time, like within 30 minutes. This one's 227, that one's 223, that one's okay, so this is 219, zip zip, and then 223, zip zip, 225, zip zip, 227, zip zip, and then over here there's a couple more. These were first, little short ones, 211, 212, zip zip, zip zip, zip zip, zip zip, zip zip, zip zip. Okay, that was a good test. Our UFO's flying just like it should. Great job, guys. Let's get back on the pattern. Then get the hell out of here with that crap, man. Y'all believe what you want. The Airbus is flying around. This is an Air 350 Beechcraft Super King. They're just kind of doing night learning. And let me turn the militaries off to all the other planes in the sky. Here's a little bitty plane. Here's a little L2T Beech 90 Air King right there. See that line? There's a little plane. Just turned it on right there. This is a Cessna C-150. Look at it going 70 knots. Probably 100 miles an hour, 120. See? Not all jumpy. Now look. Look. Here's a Black Hawk. UH-60, right? Look, it locks up whenever I click on that thing. God. Oh man. Here's a Black Hawk. See that guy? Now he just happens to be over one of the places that this other thing went. If I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure that one of those zips extraordinary zips over here were right over where that thing's at now. It gets really jumpy when I click on that red one. I mean, really locking up and jumpy. Yeah. Well, no, it's way over here. Wouldn't it be something if this went, did a circle around that, and then came back? Wouldn't it be something? Or is he out here like, are we out here like killing cows or something? What are we doing? What are we doing from 60,000 feet up here? Come on, man. Oh, I'm so confused. This is all of military planes that are beaconing right now. Very interesting. The oiler. This is a refueling plane here. Why are we running refueling routes? We're running refueling routes. Except for there's no jets over here. So does that mean well, obviously the jets are probably not showing up for a reason. Don't know. Oh well. You'll take that how you want. That's a UH-60 at 10,000 feet. Okay, well, there you have it. Take it how you want.